Streams turned blood red by diesel cut across a poisoned landscape. Some 20,000 tons of fuel spilled from a tank at this power plant near Norilsk, oozing into a river that flows into a lake and ultimately onto the Arctic Ocean. It happened last Friday, but efforts to contain the damage failed, and after declaring a state of emergency, President Putin vented his fury on local officials.
What do you mean you've finished your report on the situation? What's going to be done? You're the governor. Wait a second, in your opinion, what happened? And why did the authorities only learn about it after 2 days? What, are we going to learn about emergency situations from social media now? Are you in your right mind over there?
The company that runs the plant in eastern Siberia says the tank may have been built on soil that subsided with the warming of the underlying permafrost. The terrain also makes the containment operation even more difficult.
It's a secluded area. There's no transportation by road or rail. Again, there's no way to bring a large number of boats with empty tanks to pump the oil into. That's the difficulty.
The impact on Norilsk isn't known yet. It already has a reputation as Russia's most polluted city. But environmental experts say the cleanup could take years and cost the equivalent of around €12 million. Neil O'Reilly, Euronews.